Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. This is an ultimate charging test between the Nothing Phone 1 versus the Google Pixel 6a. Let's get into it. Now let's start off with the battery specs of both these devices. And with the Nothing Phone 1, it is using a 4500 mAh battery and does support 33 watt fast charging over USB-C, 15 watt wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wireless charging with battery share. In terms of the charging speeds, Nothing are actually rating the Phone 1 to charge from 0 to 60% in 30 minutes and full charge in 70 minutes, which is 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we're going to test it and see. Compared to the Google Pixel 6a, which is using a slightly smaller 4410 mAh battery, 18 watt charging with no wireless charging of any sort. Now, in terms of the charging situation, I did order the Nothing Phone 1's official charger from their website, which was £35 with an additional £10 for the delivery. And it is actually a 45 watt charger. It's not arrived at this time, so I decided to actually test it with my 45 watt super fast charging plug from Samsung to see if I would actually get the rated speeds. And by the looks of it, we're going to find out if that is going to be the case. In terms of the charging conditions, both have been set into do not disturb, so no notifications come in. We've disabled any form of adaptive battery settings for both these devices and enabled their fastest charging if the option is given there. With that out of the way, let's get into the main charging test. Now, starting with the main charging test, I am reusing the previous footage from the Pixel 6a versus the S21 FE charging test. We do have the wattage reader on the Nothing Phone 1 as well to see how much watts it pulls from the plug when charging, as it does support 33 watt charging. And let's see how close it gets to it. And we will be testing it at every 15-minute interval to see how far we are into the charging intervals compared to both devices. So moving over to the first interval, which will be at the 15-minute mark, you will see that the Nothing Phone 1 is at 36% versus the Pixel 6a at 23%. And in terms of the wall and how much wattage it was pulling around 27 watts consistently at this early stages. And we'll see how that mounts onto the next charging interval, which is at 30 minutes. So at 30 minutes, we can see that it's around 22 watts, 27 watts. Now at the 30-minute mark, we do have the Nothing Phone 1 at 65% compared to 42% on the Pixel 6a. So this is actually more than the claim time percentage of 60% at 30 minutes from Nothing, which is great to see. Next interval is at 45 minutes. And at the 45-minute mark, where will we be for both these devices? And for the Nothing Phone 1, we do have pretty much at 90% versus 58% on the Pixel 6a. So that is pretty much enough to get you through the day. 45 minutes, which gives you 90% charge, which is really, really good on the Nothing Phone 1. Next interval is the 1 hour mark. And at the 1 hour mark, in terms of the percentage, we will see that the Nothing Phone 1 is actually at 99% compared to 71% on the Pixel 6a. It hit 99% on the Nothing Phone 1 around the 55 to 57-minute mark. And we will see that the finishing line for the Nothing Phone 1 will be at the 1 hour, 3 minutes and 51 second mark to full charge, which is a lot quicker compared to the 70-minute, 1 hour, 10-minute mark that Nothing had rated for the Phone 1, which is great to see. At this point, it is just the Pixel 6a by itself, and at the 1 hour and 15-minute mark, it is at 84% charge. 84% charge for the Pixel 6a at the 1 hour and 15-minute mark, 75 minutes. And the next interval will be at 90 minutes, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. And we'll see that the Pixel 6a at that time will be at 92%. So the wattage does really drop and it does start to really extremely trickle charge at this point. And the next interval is 1 hour, 45 minutes, 105 minutes. And at the 105-minute mark, there will be an extra 4% added, meaning that it will be at 96% charge. So 96% charge at this point. And the next interval will be pretty much the Pixel 6a topping up to 100% at the finishing mark at a time of 1 hour, 52 minutes, and 11 seconds to full charge for the Pixel 6a. That is it with this ultimate charging test between the Nothing Phone 1 versus the Google Pixel 6a. Let me know your thoughts. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on our channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.